was presented the Entrepreneur of the Year award last year. Eric is the Group CEO of the ECG group of companies and has included in his basket of money-making ventures property investment, event planning, marketing, redevelopment and architectural consultancy, marine livestock investments, personalized cruise planning and even car rental services. Phew, I managed to squeeze an interview with Eric Cheng despite his busy schedule and asked him how he managed so many ventures.
Before I started a new business, I must make sure that the business have a good cash cow and I must have a right team. Right, and the right team means that I must have entire trust to the entire team to run the business. Most of this business, I'm a majority shareholder, but I gave the entire empowerment to my partners to handle that business itself. And we do have constant meetings, and we have the same inline vision whereby result is our first core agenda of our business. Yeah.
Why did you decide to go into so many things?
The actual fact, most of these businesses are all interlocked or interrelated, right? And as we started in property, very naturally we have dealt with a lot of developers. And when my young goal dream is to be a developer myself, so before I got started as a developer, I started as a property agent, right? So most of these businesses are in relation with my core business, property itself. Of course, investment in my almost 10 years in business, right, I do meet a lot of partners out there and very good partners that give me ideas, and we actually get into a joint venture and we trusted in our partnership, and that's how our business grow and break through.
What was your childhood like?
When I was young, my mom have actually taught me that in life there's no shortcut, right? And my mom is a businesswoman herself, so I pick up quite a fair bit of business procurement from her. Business is always in my blood, right? When I was young, I tell myself that I want to be an entrepreneur, right? And moving forward along business journey, I do pick up a lot of other business, and that's where I feel that in business, if you work hard, you'll be resulted eventually, right? I'm a flight steward for 8.5 years with Singapore Airlines, and I tell myself I have gained a lot of experience from there, but how hard I work, I still have my ceiling in my income, so that's why I decided to actually form my business, and today ECG is a household brand.
You were a flight steward for 8.5 years. Was there anything in that length of time, any experience which you have brought to running your business today?
Definitely. In my 8.5 years in my service, we were taught about business, people relationship, we are taught about social etiquette, we are taught about service, customer come first. All this lesson that learned is very valuable to my business because it can't be taught out there. It's an experience that on board we learn, and from different passenger, different client, we experience different experience itself. Yeah, I think that makes me a better businessman.
Would you want your children to continue what you're doing?
Definitely. Always tell my family, my wife, or even some of my friends, whatever I'm working right now is a legacy for my son. And I tell myself that our next line is good to have a stable business for them to take off. Yeah, because in this business world, in the next 15-20 years, I know it's pretty tough, right? If I could set a stepping stone for them, I would think that my partners, our family will actually take off from the business itself.
What drives you to do so much more?
Our group itself, we are very focused on results, right? And along the way in our business, there's a lot of new ventures, there's a lot of new partners that knocking our door, giving us opportunity. As an entrepreneur myself, when we see opportunity, we hit, and that's where our business grew, not only in Singapore, and we're actually bringing ECG out of overseas itself right now. With the right team, with the right partnership, definitely with a lot of drive and passion, definitely we could see the business grow. I think that is the end result that all businessmen would want to see ultimately. Yeah.
You were one of 15 people who won the Entrepreneur of the Year in 2010, one of 15. What qualities do you have that garnered you this award?
Focus. I'm very focused on what I do. Number two, I have a very strong leadership that leads a team. Number three, integrity in our business. And ultimately, we need the passion and the drive. Yeah, that's one of the elements of entrepreneurship.
Eric Cheng, Group CEO of the ECG Group of Companies. And even as I ended that interview, he was off on another trip to China to, you guessed it, make even more money. For Passion People, I'm Felicia Na